Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to show you how to make inverter. Full tutorial on how to make inverter. This is a ferrite core. Here's our coil, and this is a paper we are using, and this battery we are using it to wrap this paper according to the. So we are going to make a full tutorial on how to make inverter guys. So let's go guys. So guys, we want to make the winding right now. As you can see, this is our coil. So as you can see guys, so we want to wind it. We are going to start from here, reach here, then we continue the winding, then we end it here guys. So let's start. So guys, as you can see, so we are going to continue the winding here. So I'm going to cross it inside this hole, and we continue the winding using the same. So guys, we want to make use of our primary winding right now. So I'm going to put my super glue to hold it, the wires. So guys, as you can see, this is 4 turns, guys. 1 2 3 4, and here will be for the loop. So make use of another 4 turns, then we loop it together. So guys, as you can see, this is our transformer. As you can see, guys, so I've removed the plastics that we used before. As you can see them, so I've removed it. So we want to use it like this. I've used solid tape to wrap it. So we are going to make use of it now, guys. So we want to test it. So guys, this is our battery, and we are putting it here. So this is the negative from the driver. So we are connecting it to the negative of this battery like this. So guys, as you can see, here's our project and this is our battery. Here's the negative. I've connected it to the negative of this battery. See it here. And this is our positive. It comes like this, as you can see, guys. And this is our positive. Here is for the driver inputs. So I'm going to leave a diagram below on how to make this driver, guys. So here's our transformer. We want to test it now. So let's try it, guys. And here's our bulb. As you can see, guys, this is our bulb. So we are going to connect it. This is 10 watts. As you can see, guys, 10 watts. Guys, this is our project and we are going to test it now. Let's test it, guys. As you can see, guys, it's 3.7 volt battery. As you can see, the inverter is working very fine, guys. If you find this video helpful, guys, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.